Okay, let's learn the order of operations. There are 4 math operations. There's addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Yes, they're quite easy to understand, but math has its own language, meaning one expression can be written in many different ways. So let me go over that. Addition can be written as sum, plus, increase by, more than. And they all mean the same thing. They all mean addition. Subtraction can be written as difference, minus, decrease by, less than. Multiplication can be written as product, times, of, twice. And division can be written as quotient, divide, per, ratio. They're quite essential when you're solving a word problem. So let me give an example of how you might use it. Here I have a first example. I'm given 8 less than 5 times a number. Pause the video and write this expression in the algebraic form. Let me give you a hint. A number represents an unknown value, usually x. Okay? Let's read the problem again. 8 less than 5 times a number. 5 times a number is written as 5 times x. And it says that 8 less than 5 times a number. So that means we minus x. So the answer would be 5 times x minus 8. Because we don't know the number, it's not given to us, we represent it as a variable. Pemdas is a famous way to remember the order of operations. P stands for parentheses, E exponents, M multiplication, D division, A addition, and S subtraction. Multiplication and division rank equally, same as addition and subtraction rank equally too. So how do we know which one to do the first? So it goes from left to right. That's the rule. You always go from the left to right. So let's do some examples. Example number 2. Simplify this expression. 9 minus 2 multiplied by 7 plus 4. So our first step is going to be 7 plus 4 because it's in the parentheses. 7 plus 4 is 11. Write everything else as it is. 9 minus 2 multiplied by 11. Our second step would be 2 multiplied by 11 because it's a multiplication. So 9 minus 22 equals to negative 13. So that is our answer. Example number 3. 8 divided by 2 multiplied by 5 minus 3 to the second power. Now try this on your own. Pause the video. Okay? So our first step is going to be what's inside the parentheses, which is 5 minus 3. 5 minus 3 is equal to 2. The next one would be exponents. That's the second power. 2 to the second power is 4. Now here, be careful. We always go from left to right. So our first step is going to be 8 divided by 2. 8 divided by 2 is 4. 4 multiplied by 4 is 16. Example number 4. We have 9 multiplied by 6 minus 2 multiplied by 6. Now this expression looks like a dumbbell for me because there's 2 big steps on both sides. So let's get into it. 9 multiplied by 6 is the first step. It's going to be 72. Next one would be 2 multiplied by 6, which is 12. 72 minus 12 is 60. So that's our answer. Next example. So try this one on your own too. Pause the video. Okay, this one looks quite tricky, but it's not that hard. So we're gonna do what's inside the first parentheses. So that's gonna be 2 plus 1. That's 3. The next step will be 18 divided by 3. That's 6. 6 to the third power is 216. Thank you for watching this video, and I have included some problems in the description below. Download it, print it out, and practice on your own. Math is tough, but so are you. Goodbye.